Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology, and today in this quick video I'm going to show you guys how to install Google Chrome with the help of PowerShell. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, as you can see, if I'll search over there, Chrome, it is not installed in my computer. So what I have to do is I have to go to the start menu first and type over there PowerShell. Also you can click on this search button, and after that type over there PowerShell. Now right click on PowerShell x86, this one, and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Once your PowerShell window is open, you have to put some command over there, which I'll give you. The command I will give you on my video description. So just copy paste that command from my video description with the help of Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Now right click on your PowerShell and it will automatically paste over there. So after paste the command over there, you have to press enter from your keyboard. So now it will take some time to install, so you have to wait for few seconds. So once it is done, you will get a window like this. So now as you can see, Chrome icon, Google Chrome icon is showing on my desktop. So if I'll try to open, as you can see, it's opening properly. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.